Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money online as a college student. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to make money online as a college student. And this came across my desk just a few days ago, and I thought it would be perfect for someone who is a college student. What it is, it's an automated phone closing system called Abundance Network. And I'm going to explain to you what that is. But the reason why I chose this for a college student is, first of all, it's low startup cost. Easy to set up and fast to set up. You can start making money really quickly, and you can run it all from your phone. It doesn't take too much time to market it, and you can earn unlimited $100 commissions. So I'm sure that as a college student, an extra $100, $200, $300 a month would definitely help out. Of course, you can make a lot more than that depending on your marketing efforts. So how does it work? You're going to have, it's very simple. You're going to have a phone number that's assigned to you, and your prospects are going to call that phone number. Then when they're interested in what they hear, they're going to press 1, and then they'll listen to a 5-minute sales funnel, and all their questions are answered by this automated system. So if they have a question, they text the question, and then they get the answer text back to them. It's all automated. And in my opinion, this sales funnel answers all objections. So you may think, okay, how am I going to get people to call this number? How am I going to make money? Well, your first campaign can be covered by the company if you want. They can take care of your first campaign, advertise it for you. So that overcomes a big objection that a lot of people have. It's like, okay, I've tried other things before. I didn't make any money. How is this going to be different? We're going to take care of that for you. That's in the works right now. And then if the person is interested, they are asked if they want to sign up, text back, get started, and they're led through the whole sign up process. It's very easy to do. It's all through calling this phone number. So how much does it cost? You're going to pay a one-time fee of $100. That's to the person that referred you. And then you'll pay $50 admin fee for the back office. I'm going to show you that here in just a second. But you're going to pay by Cash App, Facebook Messenger, Bitcoin Wallet, Stripe, PayPal, or other payment methods. I don't recommend actually having PayPal as the method that you would be collecting money, because a lot of people have had their PayPal accounts shut down, not by this company, but just because PayPal doesn't like these kind of businesses, and I've had mine shut down, so I wouldn't recommend, even though you can use it in there, I wouldn't recommend it. Plus, then you're going to need a little bit of money to fund Twilio, and that's a cloud platform for building SMS. Now, the creator of this system, Jeff Long, he said generally about $20 a month would cover what you're going to need. And it depends on how many people are calling that number, obviously, but the more people that call the number, the more money that you're going to make. So it's going to cover the cost of that that fund. You're going to have to fund that. Actually, you can set it up so that as your funds get low in there, it's just automatically funded, so you're never like without the system here when people call in. So it's not very much. Okay, we're going to talk about the compensation plan here in just a second, but let me show you the back office here. So again, you're going to have a phone number that's assigned to you. You can see this is my phone number here. And once you pay the $100 to the person that referred you, they have to mark you as paid, and you also have to pay the admin, and they'll have to mark you as paid, and that's generally within 24 hours if they do that. But in the meantime, you can set up your system. I mean, it takes literally like maybe 15 minutes to set it up. So you click on here, steps remaining. Of course, I don't have any. It'll show your progress here, right here. But it's just very simple to set it up. And then In the back office here, you're also going to have, you'll see your opt-ins, you'll see, well, we're talking about your abundance line, but the marketing resources in here are really, really good. Like if you just wanted to text to all the people in your warm market, like in your phone, there's SMS swipes in here. So you could just send this message out, inviting them to call this number, and I'm telling you, it's really good. Once I listened to it, and I've listened to a lot of different ringless voicemail drops and just all kinds of text messages, and this to me was the best of any that I've heard. So that's available. They also have swipes to post on Facebook and other social media sites. So basically telling people, you know, you can share this number and earn unlimited $100 commissions. And most people are interested in taking a look. And once you get them on that recorded call, it does all the work for you. And then you got ringless voicemail drops. I went ahead and bought some of those. I haven't had them run yet, but I think this is perfect for that. And in fact, I had the other day a ringless voicemail, and it was this exact company, and it sounds really, really good. Like I would call that number back. And I get a lot of those ringless voicemail drops, and it just sounds so fake. But this one is really good. There's 2 messages here that you can play and use. And then they're going to have done-for-you marketing services. So they're going to be offering these at a really, really good price. And so it's going to be done for you. So that makes it easy because they're going to do this for you, market for you, and then, of course, you would keep the profits. Or they would do it for you, and you will pay them out of the profits that you make. So it's not like you have to put that money out up front. So that's really good. Being a college student, you might not have that money to put into advertising at the very beginning. So let's talk about how much money you can make with this, or how the compensation plan works, should I say. It's called a reverse 2-up. So you're going to keep your first sale, so you'll make your first $100, and then your second sale you'll pass up. Your third sale you'll keep, fourth sale you'll pass up, and then you'll keep your fifth sale and every sale after that. So once you get to your fifth sale, every commission will be $100 for you. So there is some leverage in this, in that every person that you were to refer to this, you could potentially make $100 when they sign up, and then $200 from the pass-up sales. So there is some leverage to it, which I really, really like. And also, if you have a primary business, you can plug that in right here when you go under my profile. There's a place to put a link to, let's say you have another business and there's a lead capture page you want people to go to. And that way, that will also be marketed to people who go through this phone system. So it's a great way to make money 2 different ways: through the front end on the $100 commissions, and then also through a primary business if you do have that. So I just thought this would be a great way to make money as a college student, because again, it's easy to do. You can make unlimited $100 commissions and just really have, it's not done for you marketing, but it's really simple. It works, this kind of system works very, very well with text message marketing, ringless voicemail drops, social media. So I think this is going to convert very, very well. I just got started, but I've already made some sales. So just wanted to share this with you, how to make money online as a college student. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below the video. And if you enjoyed this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, if you want to learn this kind of information, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below this video. And if you need to contact me, and then if you want to get started, what you're going to do is call 831-263-5158, and that's going to take you through the whole process. You can get signed up right away. That's what I did, because it was really good, and I understand how this works, and you get enough people to look at this, and you're going to have some really, really good sales. So again, if you want to get started, I'll leave the phone number in the description right below this video. And Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.